Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to teach you all the basic moves in Rubik's Cube. So, are you ready? I can't hear you. Just kidding. Let's go! First of all, we have R. R means right, so we move R upward. R upward, right upward. R. 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 So that is R, or right. Next, we have R prime. R prime is the exact opposite of R. It's like R, but it's downwards. It moves downwards. Yeah. R prime, R prime, R prime. That is R prime. Next we have L, or left. Its equivalent is R prime. L is equals to R prime. It's only at the left side. That is L, everybody. Now, L prime is the equivalent of R. L prime is equals to R. It's only on the left side. L prime, and L prime. That is L prime. Next, we have U, which means up. You will move the upper part of the Rubik's Cube to the left. U. 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 That is U. Now we have the U prime. U prime is the exact opposite of U. U prime is moving the upper part of the Rubik's Cube to the right. U prime, U prime, U prime, and U prime. That is U prime. Next, we have D, or down. D is the exact equivalent of U prime. You just have to move the downer part of the Rubik's Cube to the right. Now, we have D prime, or down prime. It is the exact equivalent of U. You just have to move the downer part of the Rubik's Cube to the left. We have F, or front. It's like moving the front of the cube clockwise. 2, 3. Oppositely, we have F prime. Let's go. It's done by moving the front of the Rubik's Cube counterclockwise, or to the left. Now we have B. B is the exact equivalent of F prime, except it's from the back. B is back. B prime is the exact equivalent of F, except it's from the back. Next, we have M, or middle. M is moving the center of the cube downwards. M prime is the exact opposite of M. It only moves upwards. Now, we have small r. Small r is like R, but it only moves 2 layers at a time. Small r prime is the exact opposite of small r. Small l is the exact equivalent of small r prime. It is only at the left side of the cube. Small l prime is the exact equivalent of small r. It's only on the left side. Next we have small u. Small u is like u, but it only moves 2 layers at a time. Small u prime is like small u, but in opposite. It moves the 2 layers to the right. Next we have small d. It is the exact equivalent of small u prime. It moves the downer 2 layers to the right. Now we have small d prime. It's the equivalent of small u. It moves the downer layers to the left. Now we have small f. Small f is like f. It only moves 2 layers at a time. Small f prime is like small f, but it's the opposite. It moves the 2 front layers to the left, or counterclockwise. Small b is the exact equivalent of small f prime. It's only on the back. Small b prime is the exact equivalent of small f. It only moves the 2 back layers to the right, or clockwise. Next we have e. It is performed by moving the horizontal middle of the cube to the right. E prime is the exact opposite of e. It only moves to the left. Now we have s. It is done by moving the back middle of the cube clockwise. S prime is the opposite of s. Now we have y. Y is like facing to the left, while y prime is facing to the right. Next, we have x. X is like facing down, while x prime is facing up. Last, we have z. Z is like facing your cube clockwise, while z prime is facing your cube counterclockwise. And one more. When they say 2, for example, R2, U2, L2, just move your cube 2 times. For example, U2, U and U, 2 U's. R2, R and R, 2 R's. You have to move your cube 2 R's. L2, L and L, 2 L's. So that's all, everybody. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget, you have to practice, practice, and practice and more. This is Ace&AJ Gaming Bros. Please don't forget to leave a like and share this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time for more.